Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss the example for circle. Find the standard equation of a circle with the center where we have the coordinate 4, -3 and the circle touch the line x minus 2y equals to 0. So kindly illustrate the situation into a diagram form. So here we have the circle and the line. So in here we have the circle and with the coordinate center 4, -3. Next, kindly illustrate the straight line where we have x equals to 2y. So if we rearrange the situation, here we will have 2y is equals to x. So y is equals to x over 2. And we have the coefficient 1 over 2, which is a positive. So the line will be showing towards the right. So kindly refers to the diagram. So here we have a straight line and also the circle with the center 4, -3. So as we all know, from this part to the center is the radius, or we may use the formula shortest distance. So here we have the formula for shortest distance. Kindly make use of the shortest distance. So here we have the diagram, which is r equals to d, where we have ax plus by plus c equals to 0, which is refers to the straight line equation. So given the situation, x minus 2y equals to 0. So in here, the a will be equals to 1, and the b is equals to -2, and the c will be equals to 0. Next, regarding the hk, so here we have the center, where we have h is equals to 4, and k is equals to -3. Kindly substitute the situation. So r is equals to modulus where we have ah plus with the bk plus with the c, where we have square root of a squared plus with the b squared. So finally, r is equals to where we have 4 plus with the 6. So 10 over square root of 5. So that will be the radius. Next, what we have to do is to substitute the situation, where we have the standard equation of a circle, x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square equals to r squared. So x minus 4 bracket square plus with y plus with the 3 squared equals to where we have 100 over 5 because of r squared. So simplify the situation. So finally, x minus 4 bracket square plus y plus 3 bracket square equals to 20. So here we have the standard equation of a circle with the center 4, -3 and touch the line x minus 2y equals to 0. Next, what we have the situation for the circle. Find the coordinate of the points of intersection for the situation circle 1 and the circle 2. So my suggestion would be where we have x squared plus y squared minus 5x plus with 3y minus 4 equals to 0. And we name it as the first equation. X squared plus y squared minus 4x plus with the 6y minus 12 equals to 0, and we name it as the second equation. So the first equation minus with the second equation, and we will have x squared plus y squared minus with the second equation x squared plus y squared, so we will have 0. Negative 5x minus with negative 4x, so we will have negative x. 3y minus with 6y, and we will have negative 3y. Negative 4 minus with the negative 12, and we will have plus 8 equals to 0. Rearrange the situation. So x is equals to 8 minus 3y, and we name it as the third equation. So kindly substitute the third equation into the first equation. And we will have 8 minus 3y bracket square plus with the y squared minus 5 multiplied with 8 minus 3y plus with 3y minus 4 equals to 0. Next, kindly expand the situation. So 64 minus 48y plus with the 9y squared plus with y squared minus 40 plus 15y plus 3y minus 4 equals to 0. Simplify the situation. So here we have 10y squared. Next, focus with negative 48 plus with 18. So we will have negative 30y. So finally, we have 64 minus with the 44, and we will have positive 20 equals to 0. Simplify the situation. So y squared minus 3y plus with the 2 equals to 0. Factorize the situation. So y minus 2 multiply y minus 1 equals to 0. Where we have y is equals to 2, y equals to 1. Kindly substitute the y into the third equation, and we will have the x, which is equals to 2. When we substitute y equals to 2. And when we substitute y equals to 1, and we will have the value of x, which is equals to 5. So the points of intersection between the two circles will be 2, 2 and 5, 1. Next, kindly refers to the situation for vector. A point A with the coordinate 1, 3 and 2. B with the coordinate 3, negative 1 and 6. And C with the coordinate 5, 2, 0. Be the point in the three-dimensional space. Find the situation vector AB cross with the vector AC. So before we begin the situation, kindly determine the vector AB, where we have OB minus OA. So OB will be 3, negative 1 and 6 minus with the OA, where we have 1, 3 and 2. So the vector AB is equals to 2, negative 4 and 4. Next, continue with the situation where we have the vector AC, where we have OC minus OA. So OC will be 5, 2 and 0, followed by the OA, where we have 1, 3 and 2. So the vector AC is equals to 4, negative 1 and negative 2. So here we have the vector for AB and AC. Next is to find AB cross with the AC. So kindly substitute the value. So where we have 2, negative 4 and 4, followed by 4, negative 1 and negative 2. So find the AB cross AC. So kindly focus on the I, close up the I, and we will have negative 4 multiplied with the negative 2. So we will have 8 minus with negative 4. So focus on J, kindly close up the J, so we will have negative 4 minus with the 16. Next, close up the K, and we have negative 2 plus with 16. So AB cross AC equals to 12I plus 20J plus 14K, where we have the direction or the normal for the situation. Next, kindly focus on B, the angle between AB and AC. So in here, my suggestion is make use of the formula where we have AB cross AC equals to magnitude of AB multiply with the magnitude of AC sine theta. So kindly substitute the situation where we have the square root of 12 squared plus 40 plus 20 squared plus 14 squared equals to the magnitude for vector AB, where we have 2 squared, 4, plus 16, plus with the 16, multiply with square root of 16, plus 1, plus with the 4, sine theta. So kindly simplify the situation. So here we will have the square root of 740 divided by square root of 36 multiply with 21 equals to sine theta. So finally, sine theta is equals to square root of 185 over 189. As a conclusion, the angle between the AB and the AC will be equals to 81.61 degree. Next, where we have another situation for vector. Given the vector A, which is equals to 3i minus 6j minus alpha k, and the vector B, where we have beta I minus 4j plus 5k. Find the value of alpha and beta if A and B are parallel. So kindly refers to the situation. A cross with the B equals to 0. And A and B are parallel to each other. So where we have A, 3, negative 6 and negative alpha. Beta, minus 4, 5. So kindly find the situation A cross B. So kindly close up the I and we have negative 6 multiplied with the 5. So we will have negative 30 minus where we have 4 alpha. Next, followed by kindly close up the J. So we will have 15 minus with the negative alpha beta. So we will have plus alpha beta. Close up the K. So we will have negative 12 minus with the situation where we have negative 6 beta, so plus 6 beta. So since we have the info A cross B equals to 0, so kindly compare the situation. Negative 30 minus 4 alpha equals to 0. So 4 alpha equals to negative 30. So alpha will be equals to negative 30 over 4, which is negative 15 over 2. Next, where we have negative 12 plus 6 beta equals to 0. So 6 beta equals to 12. So beta will be equals to 2. Kindly refers to B. If alpha is equals to 1, find the value for beta given that A and B are perpendicular. So here we have A dot with the B is equals to 0. So kindly substitute the situation. So where we have 3, negative 6 and negative 1. Dot with beta, negative 4 and 5 equals to 0. So where we have 3 beta plus with 24 minus with 5 equals to 0. So 3 beta is equals to negative 21. So beta will be equals to negative 7. So here we are, and thanks for watching.